I'm Eric Hart. I'm the Global Chief Information Security Officer for Cushman and Wakefield. We're the third largest commercial real estate firm in the world with over 52,000 employees servicing over 400 countries. We know there are outside threats, coming in, trying to break in through your doors and your windows and get into your organization. Really understanding what your posture is and what that exposure is overall is important, so you can also respond and react to those things to protect your organization. If we look at vulnerability management, a lot of organizations have been doing it the same way for decades. Run a scan, create a report, send it to your application owner, your infrastructure owner, and hope that they know what to do with it and fix things. Well, we know that that hasn't always been working because we still see breaches happening. Now it's time to really think about it and challenge things and do things in a different way. With our partnership with Zscaler, we're really looking at how the data fabric for security can really improve our organization's posture. So this is going beyond just the vulnerability scan and report, run, and throw it at people by taking in data and signals from all the tools to understand what is our exposure, what is the risk, and those things that are truly risky, how do we put resources towards those based on those risk points and the data that you've pulled together. The value in the data fabric is that the answer for vulnerability management doesn't lie in any single one tool or scan. It's giving context to these application owners, to the infrastructure owners on what is the right remediation, what is the right path to fixing those things. The data fabric for security really is a game changer for our organization and any organization out there today. With unified vulnerability management, we've been able to significantly reduce the number of vulnerabilities that we've had in totality. We've also been able to really focus in on the things that are truly critical and go after those. So it's not always just about a sheer number volume reduction. It's also about, are you affecting those ones that are important or pose the most risk to your organization? And those are the things that a lot of senior leadership and executive management will focus on. We've also been able to free up more hours and time from our Security Operations Center, again, from sending a lot of manual tickets or manual emails to people and having a lot of back and forth conversation. With where we're evolving at Cushman & Wakefield, we are going to have a much better posture and exposure and overall vulnerability risk management for the company.